Hello, thank you for joining me for part two of this exploration of how breathing affects you and your position. The first exploration of this looked at using the breath to change the breath. This exploration looks at movement as a way to change the breath. Both are completely valid ways to do it, both work. Whichever one is right depends on the person and that moment in time. So to begin, go ahead and lie down on your back. Allow your legs to extend, allow your arms to be long, and just observe the sensation of your breath. As you feel yourself inhale and exhale, just trace the breath, see where it goes. Ask yourself which parts of yourself are responding to the inhale and which parts of yourself are responding to the exhale. Take just one more breath. Go ahead and bend your right foot up. So your right foot is going to press into the floor. And as your right foot presses into the floor, feel how the right pelvis responds. And then relax. Make the movement really small. Press the right foot and relax. And as you press the right foot and relax, see what happens to your head. Does it move at all? Does it move up when you press your right foot into the floor? And what happens to your left leg against the ground when you press your right foot into the floor? Does it move at all? Go ahead and switch legs. Change the arm position now. Take the right arm up and out a little bit so it's making a Y position with your body. Press into your left foot and relax. And as you press into your left foot, I think I said right foot, I apologize. Press into your left foot and then relax. And as you press into your left foot, make the movement small. Feel what happens in your pelvis. And feel what happens in your right arm. Take one more. Relax there. Reach your arms up, overhead. Slide the arms down towards your feet, keeping the hands in contact with the floor. Lift your feet up. Lift your head. Lower the feet down. Lower the head down. Slide the arms back up. Slide the hands down towards the feet. Reach the hands towards the feet. Lift the head. Lower the feet down. Reach the arms up. Two more, and as you lift the head, reach the hands towards the feet. Let your chin tuck, so you're looking towards your thighs. You're trying to find them. And then just lower that down. Reach your right leg all the way out. Reach your arms up overhead. Tilt the hands and the head away from the right leg. Bring it back to center. And just do that a few times. As you do that, start to pay attention to what happens in the right foot. Relax the arms down. Bend the right knee up. Reach the left leg down. From here, rotate your left foot out. Rotate it out so much that your right knee starts to go with it. and your left arm starts to reach out away from the body. Now take the right knee back to center and turn the left toes towards the ceiling. The left hand comes back down. Start by turning the left foot out so the left toes are going away from the middle of the body. They're turning towards the left wall if you've got a wall. You're going to start to reach the left hand and tilt the right knee over. Bring that back to center. Do that 3 more times. So it starts with the left foot. Everything else just sort of follows. Last one. Bend both knees, roll over onto your right side. Keep going until you come to your stomach. Slide your hands beneath your shoulders. Reach your right arm all the way out. Bend your left knee and start to reach your left foot behind you so it touches behind the right thigh. If that doesn't feel too great, then don't go all the way. Make it small. So you can just go like that. Or if it's comfortable, you can roll the foot all the way over. Take one more. Bend the right knee, or bend the right arm, sorry. Right hand is beneath your right shoulder. Reach the left hand out and away from you. Pick up your right foot so your right knee is bent. Begin reaching your right foot up and over and back down. Take one more. Bring that foot down. Take both hands beneath your shoulders. Gently press your pubic bone so you're posteriorly tilting your pelvis into the floor. And then gently lift your pubic bone away from the floor. Go back and forth there with your hands under your shoulders. One more. Roll back over onto your right side. Come on up into a seated position. Begin with your legs extended, actually. And take your right hand, take it on your left knee. Begin reaching your right hand towards your right foot. And then just slide it back. One more. Switch sides. And your head can rotate, or maybe it doesn't. Don't worry about it too much. Let your head do whatever feels most relaxed. Relax here. Turn your heels towards each other. Slide your feet up. Reach your feet away from each other. Reach the heels back to the front of the room. Heels rotate towards each other. Heels reach away and back. Last one. Make your way to your back. Rest your legs all the way down. Let your arms be wherever's comfortable. And simply observe the sensation of your breath. Feel which parts of yourself respond. Feel which parts of yourself don't. And just ask yourself if this is any different than it was a few minutes ago. Gently come on up. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you have a wonderful day.